Hey everyone! Ready for something vibrant, juicy, and absolutely bursting with flavor? Today, I'll show you how to master lemon chicken at home. Perfect for beginners, and trust me, it's way easier than you think. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 2 chicken breasts, boneless and skinless, 1 large lemon, juice and zest, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon fresh cracked black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, fresh parsley for garnish, optional. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. In a bowl, combine the lemon juice, zest, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Give it a good stir. This is your magic marinade. Step 2. Place your chicken breasts between 2 sheets of baking paper and gently pound them out until they're even. This helps them cook evenly and stay juicy. Now pour that zesty marinade all over the chicken, making sure both sides are coated. Let it soak in for at least 15 minutes, longer if you've got the time. Next, heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, add your chicken. Cook for about 5 minutes on each side until golden and cooked through. You'll know it's ready when the juices run clear and the chicken is beautifully caramelized. Plate it up, drizzle over any extra pan juices, and finish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley. That's it! Juicy, tangy, peppery lemon chicken, ready in under 30 minutes. If you're feeling fancy, serve it with rice, salad, or roasted veggies. It's super versatile and always a crowd pleaser. Remember, lemon chicken is all about bright flavors and simple steps. So don't stress, just enjoy the process and let those fresh ingredients shine. Visual. Text overlay. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel, like it, share your valuable comments, and share it in social groups, which will motivate us to deliver more delicious recipes.